The purpose of the Pōhiri at Te Kura Manunui is the Tikanga, which is the protocol and how we do things. Also to welcome our new whānau and their tamaiti into the kura. It gives our mana whenua, our hapū, a chance to welcome them in as well, formally. It gives them the platform to be able to say, you're walking into our space and we welcome you with open arms. The purpose of the handover is to reassure whānau and the tamaiti that they'll be well looked after. We are one big whānau. That time when the handover is finished, the time where the parents go and have a cup of tea is actually just as significant as the actual welcome itself, because our tamariki pick up what we're feeling as the parents. We want our whānau to feel comfortable by the time they leave that process. Poipoia kia rere, nurturing the child to success.